All right, here we go again. Should I buy or say bye-bye? Florissant edition, North St. Louis County. I want to say this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but let's see what we cooking up here. Welcome. For those that don't know, my name is Chris Monroe. It's the student master teacher, Mr. I Stay Woke. And boy, let me back a little, get you a wider view. And there we go. What happened over here? So I'm gonna need a good clean out. That's normal. Somebody had a dog or something, pet rabbit. Guess this is another bedroom. Yep. What they do to these doors? Holes in the walls. It's a house. When you say you want to take a house as is, I mean you're taking it as is. Another thing happened to the door here. They must have had a lot of holes in the walls. Try to fix some of that stuff. So I'm always checking for plumbing, stuff like that, just to make sure that the major stuff ain't there. It looked like it need a good clean out, and damn, another hole in the wall. What the hell was they doing in here? Fighting? Whooping heads and taking names? Cute kitchen. Nice little open floor plan. Got a basement. Let's see what's going on down here. Hello. Oh, it's a finished basement. How you love that? You clean it up and you good to go. So in the basements, I'm looking for signs of moisture getting in, any kind of wetness, any smell of mustiness. It don't smell musty or nothing down here. Just need to be cleaned out. Look like some brand new merchandise. What we got going on over here? Is that mold or spider webs? Spider webs. Dirt. I don't know what that is. But I guess they were using this as like a little office. Little office. And you got a big recreational area. Yeah, they got some moisture something going on down here because that look like mold. Definitely mold in the basement. Okay, got to get that bleach out. What we got back here? Wash and dry. That'll work. Where the light at in here? You ain't got no lights, man. There we go. So, water heater looks okay. It's got that expansion tank. Let's see. Spider webs. Yucky. You walked into a spider web. That's what you got to watch in these basements. This stack look kind of whack. What's going on with that? They don't supposed to look like that. But I think that could all be fixed. Yeah. So that's what we got. Don't look like a bad house. Look out in the backyard and stuff right quick. See what that look like. So yeah, that little stuff on the floor is actually on this bottom of the wall here is all the way around. I don't know if that's pet hair. What the hell is that? Is that pet hair? Or is that some kind of mold looking stuff? Because they did have a dog, but it wouldn't be on the walls like that. Who knows? We'll check that out later. But this is just let's call it a preliminary walkthrough. Back to the main level. And let's see what we got outside here. Oh, I got an alarm on the house, so that helps. Fancy yard. I wonder if there's any goodies back here. I might be walking in some dog boo-boo. Gotta watch it walking back in this stuff. Anything in here of value? Like a riding mower? Nope, just junk. The normal junk. Okay, we're gonna close that back up. They got it rigged up, not really locked up, but it's rigged up. And this is the back of the house. So yeah, nice, quiet, peaceful neighborhood. Next door, look like they got something happening with the jungle gym. Roof looks good. They got a dual gate entry, it looks like, or maybe that goes from both. And there's our AC. Looks like it's there. Sometimes you go to these houses, the AC ain't even there. And that, my friends, is not good. Because you don't want to pay for that stuff. You want that stuff already to be at the house. So that's what we got. A lot of moisture over here too for some reason. Ground real wet right here. Look like somebody call themselves fixing the gutters to go down underground, but how good is that? I don't know. It's going underground there, but that ground is wet right there. And really all around this house is real soft. So it might be moisture getting in. See how that water kind of settling at the base of the house? You don't want that water settling on the foundation like that. It's usually better to move it another way, away from the house. Let's see what we got in here. Nope. I guess this is the garage if I can open it. Honey, I'm home. Oh, that's a tall garage too. Oh, he unhooked it. It's got an electric opener, but it's disconnected right now, so we'll come play with that later. So yeah, looks good, I guess. What do you think about it? Uh-oh, what's that right there? Is that termite damage or just damage from a dog scratching at the door trying to get in? See, all that little stuff you gotta look at. You don't want to get nothing with no termite stuff unless you know. And let's see how this door look. The dog been like, let me in, let me in. Evidence. Uh-oh. Got a bus back in this mud. Well, the other good thing is this house looks like it's coming with a what is that? A washer, dryer, refrigerator, a dishwasher, and an oven and a microwave. What more you want? So we're gonna finish it up. We found this lead from cold calling. Is that another bathroom back there? Yep. I'm not stepping nothing bad. Another bathroom. Oh, it's 2 bathrooms. Here we go. Water. The shower. Yeah, we can clean this up, make a pretty nice little house after all that. So we found this lead from cold calling, pre-foreclosure. So this house is pending litigation, pending an auction. We're going to stop the auction, buy the house, and make it all over again. If you want to learn more on what we do with these real estate deals, how we find them, how we fund them, how we make the money with them, futurecashflowclub.com. That's the website. Do what you do. Be who you be. And I'll see you before you see me.